Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming a few essentials, then start pairing. Make sure your iPhone is updated and signed into your Apple ID with Find My enabled. This allows registration. Once Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on, remove the AirTag's plastic pull tab and hold it near your phone, about 1 to 3 feet. You'll see a pairing animation. Tap Connect. If asked, name the AirTag or choose a suggested name, then tap Continue so the device registers to your Apple ID. Continue by configuring how the AirTag behaves and how you'll find it. You'll be prompted to assign a name or create a custom label. Pick something meaningful so you spot it in the Find My list quickly. If your iPhone has the U1 chip, make sure precision finding is allowed. This gives directional guidance. Next, turn on separation alerts and notify when found as needed. These prevent accidental loss and alert you if someone else's device detects the AirTag. To finish, verify the AirTag appears in Find My under Items and check the battery icon. Test functionality by playing a sound and, if available, using precision finding to confirm directional cues. Make sure the AirTag's name and settings saved correctly. If pairing fails or the device is unresponsive, first reboot your iPhone, then remove and reinsert the AirTag's battery to reset it before attempting pairing again. If problems persist, sign out of iCloud on the phone and sign back in to refresh Find My registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.